curly locks the last time you guys saw me. But since then, I did a little bobby bob, and I'm loving it. It's so cute. It's actually like butterfly locks. And because the time's so hot, it's literally summer. The heat I kill bad out here, so I never want to know too long. This was like the perfect length, and it's so cute. Like, I'm literally obsessed. But yeah, guys, I've been MIA for a while because the girl has been as sick as a dog. Sick. Still partially sick. I don't know if you guys can tell. I kind of sound a little bit nasally. Still have a little cough going on, but I'm getting a little bit better. Like the wall was sick, but you know, we're coming along, so that's good. The girl is back like I never left. I missed you guys. I hope you guys missed me too. Believe it or hanging last Sunday, but never again. Alright. We over there as well, but you never missed the vlog Sunday. I never noticed. You did not notice that a vlog was not up last week Sunday. But yeah, guys, enough chatting. I'm hanging on the road, so I decided to take you guys along with me. And a little simple bit because a long time I fix up myself. I just want to look cute, so not much, but yeah. And I'm going to look for my husband as well. Last my earbasting this morning, I said, I am going to see my husband. And I asked which husband may I look for. I could have which husband. Tell me now. So I live with you, I'm a 2 kids, I'm a husband I road. I said it worked, and then it was the other way around. To get the husband in here, they said when I run, but apparently we have husband I run, so per. So guys, come along with moi today. I am going to see my husband. Okay guys, so first off for the morning is the store that I'm working with, so I'm going up to film. This is upstairs a bit bad. I'm going up to film a little cute video for them. So yeah, this is the first stop of the day. I'll try and give you guys something to behind the scenes if I can. But yeah, come along with me. Let's go. $100,000 on the fence. For the plus, I just wanna wake up and get that. Only at in the rolls, that's rented. Windows in it. We got a big spinning. I'ma get back on my feet, give me a minute. I'ma put this in my glass, like even in it. Young summer, give me a minute. Guys, listen, I've become a gymwear fanatic. So a girl had to run in and cop these pieces. How cute are the colors? So vibrant, and the quality, don't even get me started. Listen, top tier. I just want something that pairs well together. So super cute, and the quality is amazing. Yeah, this is it right here. One line, no see me, no flex, be kind. Dollars never show up on CP time. I just wanna wake up on CP time. Girl, people, I messaged me from Moby. I said if I can't go back for them, I send it up because them not get you to know. So much inquiry. TikTok. Oh. No, 90 on WhatsApp and DM. I think I must about 50 something. Oh my god, guys, that's unbelievable. Because I mean, them could get them come late, you understand? Yeah. The people them still be and just got the store. And when I was here, not a lot was left, so I tell them, go, no. But most of them not even live in Kingston. Okay guys, so I just finished up at store number 1 and we're heading on to store number 2. I got my goodies here from Shop Fashion in there, guys. Go on over on Instagram and check them out. So yeah, on to store number 2. Let's go. Okay, so the next stop is Fashionera Beauty. Let's go. These are their opening hours. You can check them out on WhatsApp. You can check them out on WhatsApp or call them. Hi. Morning. So in the makeup store. She told you that I was going to film a little video, a short video as well. Yeah. That's okay. Are you open to participating? not much, like just to help me out, like not too much. But I stress you, so we just go for the clothing store that stress her out, but I stress you out.
Like, what exactly?
Alright, so I'm basically filming a shopping experience and
To the sense, and Saint Laurent, $100,000 on the fence. For the plus, I just wanna wake up and get that. On the app, out in the roads, that's rented. Windows tinted, we got a big spinning, big spinning. I'ma get back on my feet, give me a minute. I'ma put this in my thighs, by keeping in it. Young simmer, give me a minute. Sundown and shine, break it down. One line, a line. Get no, see me, no flex, be kind. Dollars never show up on CP.
man, take your time, no rush.
Maybe the routine.
Yes.
Right, two. I see your boutique, you get a boutique, you put a palette. Your absolute, did I put the absolute? I don't think
What's
I
the
did.
absolute?
That's a lip gloss.
It's in the basket, sorry. I mean,
You
I'll take
didn't know
it
what's in the something, you know.
Alright, sorry, over here. Sure. I do YouTube as well. Yeah, but you say you don't have the time for nothing. So you're not still gonna watch YouTube videos.
I can even make it run out, just
Yeah,
give it a
true,
watch
the support.
time, just
Girl,
do
I
my
love
stuff.
people like you.
Listen, if I feel even doing
I
stuff,
do that
because
all the
I know that
time.
when it's
Wanna wake up on CP time. We could take a nigga leave behind. Get a presidential suite, leave what they linen. In the roads, that's rented. Windows tinted. Sundown and shine, break it down.
Oh, I love that. So it's Club Couture underscore JA. Club Couture underscore JA. Guys, again, a new supporter, which is, you can big up your pages as well. Big up your makeup page and your IG page.
okay, shout out to Fashion and Era Beauty. We have a nice makeup stuff, nice skincare stuff, and you know, you can feel free to come and check it out. And also, I do handmade clothing, LG Designs and Fashion. Feel free to take a look. And LG Era Beauty for nice braids, wigs, and you know, makeup.
Check
Yeah.
out there, so guys, head on over to her pages and check them out. And as she said, don't forget to check out Fashion Era Beauty. Guys, I found so many things in here this morning. And you know, it's everyday stuff that I use. So, and guys, the price is unbeatable. Because I've never seen these prices before, never. So come on over and check them out. I'll leave a link right here. I'm going to tag them and then I'll leave a link in the description box. So head on over and check them out. Thank you. Guys, I'm in the fabric store. I'm in Pinks. But did you know that Pinks starts sell like home decor? Like literally says home goods, and them have like kitchen stuff, pots, pans. Yeah, this is some free promo right now. So yeah, I'm just looking to pick up a few stuff in here. Hope I don't get flagged because the music is so loud. They have some really cute stuff. They have flowers. Oh, so things are going with themselves. I need zipper though. I probably gonna have to come back for home decor, but for right now I need a zipper and some other things. Let's go. Morning. Could I get a 14-inch? What color now? Cobalt blue zipper. It doesn't have to be an invisible. One of them blue there over there. Like a 14-inch. How much for it? Give me a regular. Regular 14-inch and a black 10-inch. We have 16, 18. Alright, give me the 18. Use these.
Can't get one item, you have to put
For those? Yeah, and a tape measure. Yeah, I have no more money. Can put it on credit? How much of the zipper did them total?
Yeah, so the 50 I just done without. My brain not going to do.
Get no, see me, no flex, be kind. Dollars never show up on CP time. Sundown and shine, break it down. One line, a line. Get no, see me, no flex, be kind. Dollars never show up on CP time. Get no, see me, no CP time. Dollars never show up.
Thank you. Where am I gonna go? I'm going in here. Morning. Fix up the place, man. Guys, guys, I'm in my favorite place in the world. Fabric store. I'm gonna come here for buy nothing though. Just come to take 2 little pics and call it a day. I feel like they move up the things. What are all the prints? I've not seen the prints. Alright guys, I'm looking for some prints to make a dress and a skirt. Oh, found them. So these are the prints. Not these exactly, but in this range. So I'm gonna take some pics like really quickly and come back.
No, see me, no flex, peak time. Dollars never show up on CP time. Sundown and chimes, break it down, one line of
I don't know, the real OGs will remember this spandex print. It's really nice and it's back in stock. Area and up on the rhythm. I'm gonna move. But yeah, just checking out the spandex to see what I like. And this one is really cute too. I made some with this before as well. Burning up. Okay, so I got my pics. And now I'm going to find something to eat because I'm hungry. Starving actually. Ooh, these are nice. So, yeah. So that's in the barbecue zinger combo. Barbecue zinger combo, that's it. Fruit punch. I'm in KFC trying to get some food. 76? 76 here? Fruit punch? Yes, please.
Okay, the price, right?
Yes.
Okay. 25?
You know, I'm gonna come KFC on a Friday lunchtime because I had to wait like 20 minutes. I'm hungry right now, so I'm gonna eat. What did I get? Well, I ordered a barbecue zinger, but they never had no barbecue zinger. I only had spicy. I don't even like spicy. But it is what it is. And the place packed up, guys. And the lines are super long. I don't even know. Oh. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but the lines are super long. Literally. It's too hot. It's literally lunchtime on a Friday. Who tell me to do this to myself? Look at you. No, I see the line then. But I'm gonna show y'all the lines. Them go all the way outside. See, I'm just eat the local fries, you know. The zinger. And then I'm gonna head home. No. I have one more stop before we go home. So yeah. Guys, you hear me? I look out on the spicy zinger. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna mash this up because it was damn good.
no, see me, no flex, peak time. Dollars never show up on CP time. Sundown and chimes, break it down, one line of line.
Serena. Okay, Serena. How old are you?
9.
You're 9? You're a big girl, man. You wanna guess my age?
99.
99. No, not 99. Guys, I just met the cutest little girl and she's like 9 years old. But then I forget me and she said 99. I'm not 99. Guess again. 22. Yes, you're right. You're so right, girl. So right. Says I'm 22. So yeah, just there. Time hot my backside. Listen, outside is no joke. I don't even want to go back out there. If you're in AC right now, consider yourself blessed because this heat wave is no joke. So guys, that's it for my little solar lunch date, if you want to call it that. I mean, I always go sit down and eat by myself. I know some people find it like weird to eat alone, but I don't mind it. It's whatever for me. I mean, here and there, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go sit down and eat. So if I have to do that by myself, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, solar date at KFC, big up me. So I'm gonna leave out shortly. And I think I'm gonna go back to my makeup store. Yeah, I'm going to my makeup store. I'm gonna go back to the makeup store that I was at a while ago because I forgot to pick up something. Happened. I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to my blog. She's looking at me all crazy like she think I'm speaking to myself. I'm just talking to my blog for YouTube. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. But it's for adults. Yeah, but you're a child. Can you tell us of a YouTube channel? What is your channel about? You don't know, but you watch Kaylee's YouTube? Why not?
He's not my friend.
Oh, Kaylee's not your friend. Okay. Okay. Oh, she tell lie on you. So you want to have a YouTube channel of your own? No, you're not into it like that? Oh, you're on TikTok. Your mommy let you go on TikTok? Oh my, your mommy let you go on TikTok and Facebook? Must be nice. Okay guys, so a girl is tired and I am finally at my last stop for the day, which is my shipping company. So I'm supposed to have a couple packages well for me, so I'm gonna go down here and see what it says. It's closed. They must be joking. Either way. So the shipping company I use is called Easy Parcel. They're located at Heritage Mall, Burke Road in Spanish Town. Their rates are pretty affordable. It's $700 for the first pound. So yeah. Also, they usually get my packages to me in like a week or two, so definitely a plus for speedy delivery. Customer service is okay. Whenever I message them, ask them questions, they're always ready to help, so you guys can check them out. Listen, disclaimer, I'm no inform any way, shape or form affiliated with these people. I just use them from time to time and I decided to share. So yeah, check them out if you wanna. If not, then fine, girl. So guys, I am home. Finally off the road. The road was a mess. So I decided to give you guys a little unboxing of all the stuff that I bought. 2 big old bags. Yes, let's start with the makeup stuff. I'm wondering if I should do like a little unboxing on my TikTok. So this is like a powder palette that I got from Shop Fashionera. And all of these items that I'm showing you now in the bag is from Shop Fashionera. Or Fashionera Beauty, sorry. Shop Fashionera is the clothing aspect, and then Fashionera Beauty has all the makeup and beauty products. Next, I got some press-on nails. I'll try and insert like the prices and stuff. And if I do a dedicated TikTok video, I'll include all the details. Next, I got some boob tape. And the rep did recommend I get black instead of like a skin tone type boob tape because based on the garment that you're wearing, sometimes she says it kind of shows through, which I agree. So you can never go wrong with black. So I got the black boob tape. Here it is. Next I got, what are these? Some exfoliating gloves. When a girl wants to exfoliate her skin, whenever that is. But yeah, I'll try and use these products as much as possible, guys. I got these because I didn't have them before or I needed to re-up on them. So yeah, I got some gloves here. Next, I got the long-awaited deep cleansing powder to clay mask, and this is the bentonite slash kaolin. Hope I'm saying that right. And it's for both the face and body. Been wanting to get this mask for the longest while. I've heard good things about it, so I'm excited to try it out and definitely let you guys know how it goes. So this is what I got. Next, I got some face masks. I got 4 of them. So these are they. So it comes in like honey, bamboo, orange, and aloe vera. Same thing. So I'll be using up these masks. Definitely reviewing them as well. Guys, the time hot. No, no. Next, I got this clear gloss. Like you can never go wrong with a clear gloss. You know, based on experience, you can never go wrong with a clear gloss. And my glosses have been, I don't know, I guess them kind of serve them time. So I'm kind of get a little thick. And when I put them on, they're like clumping. So I was like, no, let's go. But I'm not a fan of like colored gloss. I had a pink one and it was pretty okay. But if I'm not going to use pink, then it's definitely clear. So this is a clear one that I got. And last but not least, I had to re-up on some foundation. And that's the Pick Me foundation. And this is matte poreless. Yes, because your girl's pores be looking like potholes. So I definitely had to get the poreless. And it's in number 334. I literally thought I was a 320, but when she did the match on me, I realized that I'm actually a 334. But I guess because it's the summertime and it's kind of getting a bit warmer, you know, it kind of gets a bit darker. So definitely have to keep up with your foundation match in that, as it relates to that aspect. So yeah, this is all I got. Yeah, but no, this is all I got as it relates to beauty stuff. I did also stop by one of those local Chinese stores at wholesale and get some hair moving powder. I literally went there and asked for Nair, but then I remember the bad experience that I had with Nair, so I was like, you know, let me try something else. So it's this shaving powder, and it's the magic shaving powder. So it's extra strength and it helps to stop razor bumps. And I have a problem with razor bumps, so I'm like, hey, let's give this a try and we'll see how it goes. I think I used this once before. I think you're supposed to wet it. Something. I'll let you know how it goes. Supposed to wet it and create like a little paste and whatever. I'm gonna read the instructions and see how this. Because a girl is going out on the town and I need my body to be as smooth as a baby's bottom. So I'll definitely be using this. And next I got 2. Let me not show the shipping details. But these are 2 really important packages for your girl. And these are packages from an international brand that I'm doing a collaboration with. Stay tuned to see what the goodies are in here. And I have another one. It's actually a box. I don't even know where I put that. But you have 3 packages in total that I received. So yeah, big up your girl for her first brand deals. Yeah, because it's 2 companies. It's 3 packages, 2 companies in total. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got, so stay tuned for that. Yeah. Excitement book. Okay, and lastly, these are the items I got from Shop Fashion Era. So first I got these pair of sandals. They say Zara, but yeah, but they're super cute, super comfortable. I try them on. I'm a size 40 because a girl wears size 9. Let me take it out and show you. Super cute. I'm gonna say them comfortable, comfy, because as I said, a girl is going out on the town and I need something casual, simple, and I had to go with black because you know black goes with everything. The green was really nice though. I'm gonna see if I can pop up the green here and show you guys that was really cute. I was leaning towards the green, but then I remember that Shanice kind of boring, so I had to go with a color that you know goes with most of, if not all of my outfits. So I chose the black. Next, I got sewing stuff that I'm going to show you guys. This is zippers, pins, them things. I'm not showing you them things. Also got a gym set. More gym set. Like, who is this girl? Who is this girl shopping for gym sets like 24/7? So this is the tights that I got. It's in this nice little color. Kind of a little purplish vibe going here. And then the top is a little bit brighter. On the magenta side, but I think they go super cute together. I'm not complaining. So this is the top and the bottom for that. And then I got a little matchy set. Favorite color, duh, pink. So it comes with a little back shorts and the workout shorts. I love it. Like the color is to die for. They have so many other options, but I had to go with the pink because you know I'm a pink girl. Boys, do you like mommy's gym sets? Yes. Look at it. How cute is this color? Which is your favorite, the pink or the purple? Purple. Pink. So Jamie likes the purple. Jamie likes the pink. Here you go. Have fun. Enjoy your routine. I think I got something else. Where's my little? I got a little. They call it like a powder puff. You need powder puff, cover him up, young man. But I don't see it in my bag anywhere. I don't know where it is. Maybe it fell out, my love. Where did it fall? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check the room to see if I can find it. Can you look in the room for me, please? It's a purple, not purple. It's a black triangular-looking sponge. Go look for it for me. Thank you. Let's go look for it. So you guys, that's it for this little mini haul of what I got today. Like as you can see, your girl was out on the town and just, you know, picking up most of what I needed. And I'm going to go ahead and close the vlog out here. Thank you guys so much for journeying with me today. Basically spend the day with me in Kingston. Yeah, most of what I did today was in Kingston. And guys, I'm not telling a lie, the sun in Kingston is a different sun. I don't like it, so I'm not going back for now. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for returning as usual. Don't forget to leave a like on the video before I go. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and help your girl to grow and, you know, expand this platform, this community, and welcome others to the Couture fam, right? Because we're all family over here. So guys, I'll see you in my next vlog. Those are vlogs you don't want to miss, you want to keep up with, because I am going to be doing some fun stuff. Yeah, I'm going on a little vacation / staycation, not go too far, but I think the upcoming vlogs will be eventful or more eventful than the vlogs you're used to. So yeah. No, my love, it's a makeup thing. That's all you found? I'm gonna look for that myself. Guys, I'm out. I'm out. Peace. See you in the next vlog, next Sunday. Yeah, I kinda miss you guys. I won't leave y'all again. Bye.
Sundown and shine, break it down, one line, a line. Get no, see me, no flame.